So one of the key aspects that cities need to work on is mobility. I think one key action is to promote public transport and other sustainable modes of transport like bikes and walking. Of course, on the other hand, you also need to make sure that the public transport itself gets cleaner. And that's what we are trying to do and discuss this morning, is to make sure that buses are en route to have zero emissions as soon as possible.
For more sustainability cities, we should be less consumption. We should use our private cars less. We should use public transportation much more. Also, we should use the efficient technologies for the transportation, like electrical vehicles, like hydrogen vehicles, and so on.
I think an area of work that cities can do a lot more is the one of food policy. I know Barcelona is also a great example on how much citizens can also change the way they consume, but also maybe the private sector can change what they offer in their restaurant. For example, more plant-based, more sustainable fish, more local fish. This is an area of work that I think will need to